First, you're going to take your Porcelain LA Girl Concealer just to give you that blank canvas for your eyeshadow. Now I'm taking my Juvias Place palette and I'm going to use this brown color that's similar to my skin tone to make the eyeshadow look more neat and more put together starting off. And you're just going to blend that right across your top lid. Then I'm going to take this red color and I'm going to do the same thing with that as well, just to give me that little like blushing look, to make it look like it took more time doing the eyeshadow, just, you know, to just top it off and give it that special oomph to it. Now you're going to take your concealer and you're going to start to do your cut crease. This cut crease is pretty neat. It's not as noticeable, but it does help with the shape of the eyeshadow. That's what I like about doing this type of cut crease. Now you're going to take that gold color or any color you would like. You could even do like a purplish color, green, whatever. Just decided to do gold. You're just going to tap that along your eyelid. You can use your finger or you can use your brush as well. And the little sticker thingy under my eye is going to help with the eyeshadow fallout, and it's also going to help me do my eyeliner neatly. So I'm taking this brown color and then I'm going to define the eyeshadow a little bit more to give it that more 3D look as well. So far we only used about 4 colors. It doesn't take a lot. It really doesn't, to give yourself that look that'll make people be like, wow, what did she do? Now I'm taking my eyeliner and I'm going to drag the liner across my eyelid, and then I'm going to make that tail on the end, that cat eye. And I'm going to do a tutorial more so about eyeliners because a lot of people ask me how to do eyeliner. So I am going to do a video on different types of eyeliner, because you could do eyeliner totally different types of ways, like so many different types of ways. Or you don't have to do eyeliner, actually. You could just put on some lashes if you like. Or you could just do like a bottom liner and lashes, or both. I just decided to do both. So yeah, and I'm just gonna finish this up. So now I'm gonna take my Nivea's men's shaving balm, and I'm gonna use that as like a primer for my face. I like this primer really because it helps my skin breathe. I don't really like to use like Pore Professional and all that stuff. I don't really do that. So now you're going to take your red corrector, put it under your eyes and around your mouth, for my women of color especially, because sometimes we tend to look a little bit darker around our mouth and under our eyes. Not because we're tired, just because the melanin, you know, in your skin. Even if you're Latino, a lighter Latina, it can make you look real like dark in some areas. So with the orange or red corrector, it's going to make your skin look all one color. And I just tap it in with my fingers. No need really for a blender or anything with it. You could use it if you like. You could even use a brush if you like. Now I'm taking my Wet n Wild foundation. This is one of their new foundations that they have out. I will list the color in the description below. But I'm just going to tap that all over my face, avoiding under my eye. I really just let that orange just sit there until I put my concealer on. I don't really just put on the orange, then the foundation, then the concealer. I just put on the orange and the concealer. So I just tap around that. But I do put it around my mouth, of course. So now you're just going to tap your concealer on top. Do a little bit of contouring. I do want to do a contour video as well. I'm really just trying to grow my channel. Make sure you're subscribed. Make sure you're watching my videos all the way through, including this one. It will be definitely worth it. Now I'm taking my Fit Me by Maybelline, their new powder that they have out, and I'm just going to dust that around my face just to help blend everything in, just to keep my foundation on longer, because this is my first time kind of really using this foundation out, and so I really want to make sure that it stays put. So yes, now I'm tapping the concealer in, and then under my eyes I'm going to pat a little bit of the Maybelline Fit Me powder, like their banana type powder, and they have so many shades of this stuff. I recommend going to, Walmart or so and finding your color. Alright, so now I'm just dusting it off. I'm going to dust it off a little bit. I know, like, where I did under my cheekbones, it looks a little, not as blended in. But once you finish with this look, putting on your bronzer and, whatever, it will all come together. You could even get your face powder and tap a little bit on top of it. It just makes you not look like you're just all highlighted in the middle of your face. Because sometimes when girls do that, it just doesn't look right. So now I'm taking my darker bronzer and I'm just going to fluff me, all over. I know I did this for quite a while in the video because I just cannot get enough of bronzer. It just gives me that sun-kissed glow. I just love the way it makes me look. Sometimes you could even put a little bit on your neck, your arms. I'm just going to dust that around a little bit. Some people do their blush like the way I'm doing this, but I don't really do my blush like that. You're going to see me do my blush in the video though. It's just all a preference. So now I'm going to take my Wet n Wild highlighter and crown of my canopy. And then I'm just going to dust around my lips, my cupid's bow, under my chin, my nose, eyebrow bone. Do a little bit of contouring with it as well. You could do so much with highlighters, like, it's just not even funny. So now I'm putting a little bit on my cheeks to help glow me up, a little bit at the bottom as well, just so I don't look, just shiny in the face, in the middle of my face. So now I'm taking my blush. This is the Juvias palette blush, and I'm just gonna dust that on me a little bit to give me that little blushy look. And this is a smaller little blush brush. It gives you more control of it. Thanks for watching, bullies, and I'm gonna see y'all in my next video. Make sure you hit me up if there's any other videos you want to see, any other tutorials you want me to do. I'm open to a lot of cool and creative ideas.